Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Big Brother fan favorite housemate Michelle Mpho Wa Badimo was announced as the 2 million rands winner of Big Brother Mzansi tonight, Sunday 3rd of April 2022, you guys, after Gash 1, Libo, and Tools received the least numbers of public votes. Mpho was announced as the season 3 winner tonight after being in the Big Brother house for over 9 weeks. She was up against Gash 1 for the 2 million rands, you guys, and she ultimately won the prize. The reality show started back in January with over 18 participants, you guys. Mpho, who is only 27 years old, is from Davidton and has won the hearts of viewers of the show after she was mocked for her spirituality and being a sangoma. Now, congratulatory messages are currently flooding across social media for her win. Now, you guys, do engage with me in the comment section below. Like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on my next upload. And a big congratulations to Mpho Wa Badimo.